What if I told you that AI can help you create an online course in days, not months? You don't need to be an expert in video production. You don't need to spend hours writing scripts. You don't even need to be on camera if you don't want to. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI tools can help you create and launch your online course faster and easier than ever. Step 1, use ChatGPT to plan and create content. ChatGPT can help you outline your entire course in minutes. Just ask it to generate a step-by-step course outline based on your topic. Then use it to write lesson scripts, quiz questions, and even email sequences for marketing your course. This saves you hours of brainstorming and writing so you can focus on delivering value to your students. Step 2, use Pictory to create video lessons without being on camera. Pictory takes your written content and turns it into fully edited videos. Just upload your script and AI will add stock footage, voiceovers, and captions automatically. This means you can create high-quality course videos without needing expensive equipment or editing skills. Step 3, use Kajabi to host, sell, and automate your course. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform where you can upload your course content, build a sales page, set up automated emails to market your course. And here's a pro tip. Pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. AI is changing the way online courses are created, making it easier than ever for anyone to teach what they know. If you're ready to get started, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. And if you're serious about launching your course, start your 30-day free trial of Kajabi today. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know.